Palakpakan po natin ang mga judges, ang tatlong judges po natin. We have Ms. Pamela Vernon Guarini, Mr. Jonathan Lastimado, and of course our chairman of the Board of Judges, Mr. Davidson Oliveros. Thank you so much, ma'am and sirs.
And of course, I'd also like to thank the criteria for judging for this competition. For the best in talent, we have mastery and style for 40%, level of difficulty 30%, relevance and message 20%, overall impression 10% for a total of 100%.
Alright, your friends, sino kaya sa mga nagkakatahan bilang na ito ang mananalo sa talent competition natin sa gabi nito?
Of course, Daniel, before we announce the winner, alright, we'd like to thank once again our sponsors for giving us a Pangasinan as well as Peace Diet 2019.
Okay, we have Miss Yasmina Resort for the United City, Island Hotel Alamin City Capital Resort, Natin Gaya, Royal Family Resort, at Bokong Dasol Pangasinan, Sir Meeting House, at Bokong Dasol Pangasinan, Municipality of Bugalion, Municipality of Dasol, Sunflower Cafe, Allied Botanical Corporation in Tayo, San Roque Power Corporation in San Manuel Pangasinan, also LGU Tayo, San Manuel, LGU San Quintin, Riverside Restaurant, Banyago Bugalion, Seafood Island, Ferdinand City, SM City Rosales James Babong, and Nora Armando's Place, Calasiao.
We also have Municipality of Calasiao, Damias Puro Calasiao, Robinson's Place, Pangasinan, LA Grill Cosmetics, Watson's favorite for the gift bags, Sigay Bouquet Restaurant, Grace World Couture for the official swimsuit and casual dresses of our new guests of Pangasinan, Jojo providing some guys shoes, J. Arnold Photography and Videography at Calasiao, Pangasinan, SCI Deguma, Pangasinan Provincial Police Office, Smart Town Communications, and Bank of the Philippines, Networks and Federal Home Credit, and Provincial Government of Pangasinan, headed by, of course, our Honorable Governor Armando Pogi, ISP Golden Crew.
So once again, all our partners and sponsors, thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Yes, and also we'd like to inform everyone that the awarding for the best in talent will be on April 30 at the Seashore Ramos Sports and City Center Gymnasium. Okay, April 30 at 7 p.m. with our pageant and coronation ceremony.
Yes, but tonight we will announce the winner for the best. So may we now have the result.
Ladies, are you ready?
Who will be? Sino kaya? With an average score of 93.83, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Talent for the Best of Pangasinan 2019 is... Our Miss Talent, we have with us number 7.
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to invite everyone to please watch the pageant and coronation of the Best of Pangasinan 2019 at the Seashore Ramos Sports and City Center Gymnasium at 7 a.m. And of course, other activities of Peace Diet.
Our viewer is Wednesday at 7 a.m. Also at 7 a.m. at New York at the Sands of Nigeria. At 7 a.m. we also have the Peace Diet Minsan at Isa sa Lahat. At 8 a.m. the Magic Program, followed by the Lulang Lulang Fight and After League. And at 6 in the evening we have the Live Show Office at the Fast Food Building. At 7 p.m. we have the Outdoor of the Concert at the Kingdom Club. And then Friday, we have 8 p.m. with Tausayaw Sing-Up Dance Competition. We bring you the fairest and gorgeous ladies of the province, the daughters of Princess Sordua, who are vying for the most prestigious title, Bigas na Pangasinan 2019.
Likas na Bugaya! Patricia Angela Montebago, 19, Likas na Minmala! Feliz Nicole de Guzman Carrillo, 20, Likas na Manganda! Nice, Nathan of Thomas Kahana, 18, Likas na Samantha! Gwendolyn Feliz Priya Soriano, 20, Likas na Labrador! Jenny Zacarias de la Cruz, 20, Likas ng Pangatalo! Charisse Manuel, 1, Asuncion, 21, Likas na Swan! Shea Paragas, 19, Likas na Leyte! Tiffany Neglan, Zamorot, 19, Likas na Hazel Louise Angoli, 20, Likas na Pulinaw! Ona Brexy Slammer Molina, 19, Likas Navina Marquez, 19, Likas na Dagupan City! Perla Mortero Pinali, 23, Likas na Villa Street!
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please meet our host in tonight. Alright, go ahead, Jan.
The best talent will receive a cash bouquet Sashman trophy.
So last April 23, 2019, we held the talent competition. And the season of Detroit, and one of these ladies outshined the rest of them all in her talent. And the winner for the best in talent.
Ngayon pa lang last season, marami na tayong double win.
Congratulations to Likas number 7, Likas na Labrador, our winner in the best in talent.
Alright, let's move on.
Privilege to be exhibited in our galleries at the Heritage Center and later on in our museum. Okay?
The presenters for the Best in Festival costume, we have Dr. Ana Maria Teresa de Guzman, Mr. Emilio Samson, and Mr. Madam Rene Salud. Okay. And the Best in Festival costume, we
Our triple winner for today, our best in festival costume, number 7. Alright, hindi na kaya kalagayin lahat ng booking niya. Alright, again, congratulations to number 7. Yes.
So triple win in the first set of our Honor Award.
Best in promotional video, we have Engineer Alvin Biga and Dr. Vito Tabareras. She will receive a cash and a trophy. Congratulations, Likas Maganaman.
Great summer video naman talaga para nakaka-entice na pumunta doon bilang never been that place.
Parang kung kapag napanood mo yan, parang galing ka na rin kahit hindi pa.
Yes.
Okay? So once again, congratulations to Miss Mangaldan, or Likas Mangaldan, being the winner in the Best in Promotional Video.
Alright,
welcome Limpes number 2. And the designer for her gown is Vladimir Pichapara. The designer of her gown is Glenn Caesar. Please welcome in class number 4. The designer of her gown is William Fernandez. Let's welcome in class number 5. And the designer for her gown is Michael Beacon. Now let's welcome in class number 6. The designer of her gown is Ayame. Please welcome in class number 7. And the designer for her gown is William Fernandez. Please welcome in class number 8. The designer of her gown is Johnson Soriano. Please welcome in class number 9. And her gown is by Elizabeth Smith. Now let's welcome lip gloss number 10. The designer of her gown is RJ Cruz. Pagalion. So congratulations to Libgas na Pagalion.
Sino ang best in swimsuit natin this year?
Alright, our best in swimsuit for this year's Libgas is Libgas number
Sino ba?
7. Our best in swimsuit for this year's Libgas is Libgas number
Sino ba?
7.
Best in evening gown designer.
Of course,
The candidate that's wearing the best in evening gown of the designer is candidate number
7. And then this.
Alright. Pagkasinan, ito na po ang top 8. Candidate number 7.
Next one, we have Libgas number 3.
Big Boss number 3 is Big Boss number 1. Amazon player number 2.
Alright. Next one is candidate number 5.
Candidate number 5, Felicito Carrillo Montan.
Next one to make it in the top 8, ladies and gentlemen, we have Libgas number 15.
Big Boss number 15 is Miss Orla Vivario Villasis.
Last 4 spots left. Limgas number. Come on now, Limgas number 13.
Big Boss number 15 is Big Boss of Manila, Roman Rexy Boydina.
Next one to join our top 8, we have Libgas number 10.
Big Boss number 10 is Big Boss Nalingay Jacob Palagas.
Last 7 spots. Pagkasinan. And our second to the last candidate for our top 10 is Limgas number.
14.
Narinig ko siya. Number 4.
Big Boss number 4 is Patricia Nicole Protocol Pinmayan.
And now to complete our top 8, ladies and gentlemen,
Of course, again, we want to congratulate all the ladies. Congratulations sa inyo lahat, but we only have 1 spot left. And that
okay,
is
and the last spot goes to Libgas number 11.
Big Boss number 11 is Big Boss of Sitban, Tiffany Munoz. Congratulations, lady.
At Pagkasinan, your top 8. A round of applause.
So all the ladies who didn't make it to the top 8, thank you so much. Right?
Candidate number 7, candidate number 3, candidate number 5, candidate number 15, 13, 10, 4, and 11. Pagkasinan, here is your top 10. How are you feeling tonight?
Feeling overwhelmed and grateful and excited as well.
Candidate number 7, your question is, what do you think is Pangasinan's most immediate concern? And as a Limgas na Pangasinan, how do you propose to address and solve it?
I think that more than the environmental, agriculture, and economic problems here in our province, the 2 main problems that we are encountering is the lack of discipline and the selfishness of people. These 2 core problems are leads to bigger problems, and I think if we are able to solve that, we will have a harmonious, sweeter, and better province.
I think the Pangasinan's most immediate concern is the people. I think we should start recalculating our ways and start changing our ways.
Good evening, everyone. As a Limgas na Pangasinan, I think that Pangasinan's immediate concern is, for me, it's the lack of employment.
As an education graduate, I think that the most immediate concern of my province is somehow education. However, I see this as a platform which I can be very helpful in, and as a volunteer for Hope for Change for an organization that pushes through education.
Well, for me, the most immediate concern of Pangasinan is to enhance our tourism. We all know that Pangasinan is the center of attraction here in the north because we have a very abundant and blessed environment, especially the aquaculture.
If I will win Limgas sa Pangasinan 2019, I think the main problem here in Pangasinan is the perseverance of ecotourism attractions. I believe that in life or in a province, we have actually a lot of concerns. We have poverty, we have environmental issues, and other major and minor concerns. But these issues could be solved through proper planning of a long-term goal. I think the social issue or issue that Pangasinan facing today is in promoting our tourism. Because, and if I will be crowned as Limgas sa Pangasinan, as a beauty queen, I always carry the place where I came from. And I can promote Pangasinan by joining beauty pageants, regional, national, or international. This is also how I would summarize the entire year that I have been given the honor of wearing the Limgas na Pangasinan crown. This once-in-a-lifetime experience has strengthened and changed me in ways I wouldn't have previously thought possible. To my Heavenly Father, the source of my...
Joining our Limgas Pangasinan 2018, our Limgas sa Turismo 2018 Samantha Fernandez Alvarez, and Limgas sa Kalikasan 2018 Miss Joyan Bargoma of Villasis. Namely, the first runner-up, the second runner-up, and the three titles, which are Limgas na Kalikasan, Limgas na Turismo, and of course, Limgas na Pangasinan 2019.
Alright.
As we move to the right, so give our ladies some space.
Yes, we now have our result. The final moment.
All right, Pangasinan.
Are you ready?
This is your second runner-up.
The presenters for the second runner-up, we have Mr. Alex Fidel, Ms. Maureen Rizal Lubovich, Mr. Christopher Monar, and she will receive cash, bouquet, and sash, and a trophy.
Alright, Ms. Andrea Torres, please. Ms. Maureen as well.
Alright, guys. Pangasinan. Limgas na Pangasinan 2019 second runner-up is...
Siyempre, walang gusto sumigaw kasi binigyan na mananalo yung candidate nila.
Alright, candidate number...
Candidate number 10.
Congratulations, Limgas number 10. Julian Morales. Welcome, you.
Our candidate second runner-up will win back 32,000 cash, bouquet, sash, and a trophy.
Okay, congratulations, Limgas number 10. Our second runner-up. Now our first runner-up.
Pangasinan, this is our first runner-up.
The presenters for the first runner-up, we have Mr. Ellsworth Gonzalez, Ms. Marife Azarit, and Mr. Jojo Perez.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Limgas na Pangasinan 2019 first runner-up is... Congratulations, candidate number... Candidate number 3!
Congratulations, Limgas number 3. Marco Galion, our first runner-up.
Again, I see the nods and approval of our judges. So, in agreement naman sila sa nanalo for our first runner-up, our candidate number 3.
Hey, so what is she winning here?
Okay.
53 cash.
We now come to the 3 titles.
Okay, we know the titles. Next one will be Limgas na Kalikasan.
The presenters for the Limgas Kalikasan, we have Attorney Libro Alcapa, Ms. Marilu Otanes, Madam Rene Salud, and Ms. May Joy Ann Barcon. Our Limgas na Kalikasan.
Pangasinan, Limgas na Kalikasan 2019 is candidate number... Candidate number 15!
Candidate number 15 is Hotel B. Buckingham Witnesses. She will receive a cash prize of 80,000 pesos, bouquet, sash, trophy, and of course a crown.
Our very, very lovely mayor
And our Limgas na Kalikasan will be with Johnny Barcon sa Pilipinas.
very fit.
Also from the same town.
Ulysses. Alright, para lang yung dance for you po.
Sort of back-to-back win for Ulysses.
Alright, Pangasinan, we're down to our last 2 rounds. Sino kaya ang mananalo ng Limgas na Pangasinan 2019? But before that, let's go and announce the next title, which is Limgas na Turismo.
The presenters for the Limgas na Turismo, we have Vice Governor Sir Ferdinand Z. Calimig Jr., Madam Maria Luisa Elgoyan, Mr. Paulo Ballesteros, and Ms. Samantha May Fernandez, our Limgas na Turismo 2018.
Alright. Pangasinan, sino kaya mananalo ng Limgas na Turismo?
Limgas na Turismo.
Alright, based on the statute of rating, Limgas na Turismo 2019 is...
our Limcas ng Kalikasan at Limcas ng Turismo 2019 winners.
Congratulations, everyone. Ayan, to all our ladies. Ayan, okay.
Pangasinan!
Are you ready?
Ang ganda daw! Limcas ng Pangasinan 2019!
For the Limcas ng Pangasinan 2019, we have Honorable Governor Almado Espino III, Madam Karina Espino, Miss Catalina Rodriguez, of course, Representative of Land Bank of the Philippines, Ms. Jemima Antolago, Limcas ng Pangasinan 2018.
Pangasinan! Sino ba ang mga Limcas 2019? Sino? Here we go, guys! Let's go, now!
Turn over your crowd.
Pangasinan! Limcas ng Pangasinan 2019 is...
To receive a cash prize of 150,000 pesos. Okay, Sash from the Olympics and Crown. And our official representative to the Miss Millennial Philippines.
Limcas 1 ng Pangasinan 2019 is... Limcas number 7! Alright. Of course, our Limcas ng Pangasinan 2019 would also be the official representative of the province of Pangasinan to the Miss Millennial Philippines. And to Pura